So, why did you come today?
I came mainly because I wanted to get clarity around what my future is going to look like and really map that out and know what direction I'm going to be heading in.
And what did you get out of today?
I got really clear on where I'm heading, what I want, and the kind of direction rather than feeling that big overwhelm of, oh, so many ideas, so many projects. I really narrowed it down and was like, actually, this is where I want to go. This is going to meet all of my goals and what I want out of life if I just focus on this thing. And that was through systemizing it. I was really able to pull that out and get that clarity.
Good. And who do you think should come to a workshop?
If you don't know where you want to be in a year, 5 years, 10 years, then you need to be here because otherwise, like, where are you going to end up, to make those decisions about what you want your life to look like. Are you the one creating it or are you just leaving it to chance? I think everyone should know where they want to be and where they're heading. And if you don't know that, then you need to come to this workshop.